Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I worked a decade at IRS. Yes, I was the IRS, so the things I tell you should be important being the IRS. I've been in private practice for 42 years, and I've been on the national news many times. As a matter of fact, I was on 2 weeks ago on News Nation. I want to talk to you today about tax preparation on your tax returns. Many people, many people who are self-employed don't know who to turn to. Wage earners, you can really, it's very, very inexpensive. Go to TurboTax, go to some of these platforms that are existing, whoever. But I just want to tell you, if you're self-employed, there's a big advantage in turning to really former IRS agents. I was a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. The advantage that you have is like an advantage no one else has because no one worked for the IRS. So with that said, when we're preparing a tax return, a business return, a partnership return, any tax return, we know the IRS threshold. So we know, having examined or looked at a lot of tax returns, we know what IRS allows. We don't know what IRS doesn't allow. We know what IRS thresholds are. We know when you're not putting on something on the return, and we know when you're overdoing the return. So what we kind of do is, to the best of we can, we help audit proof your tax return, because we know the triggers and how the diff score works and how they tend to kick out certain cases. So if you're someone especially who is self-employed, or you have a business or a partnership return, there's a huge advantage to having former IRS agents go ahead and work your case. So we are a team of former IRS agents. We do tax preparation, we do tax representation. Feel free to contact us. We're really good at what we do. Look at my website at 777irs.com. Contact me anytime. Give me a subscription. This is kind of a more infomercial about myself or a firm. We rarely do this, but in the case of tax season, we do it because people call us because we're former IRS agents. Thank you for the subscription. I'm so sorry that this one is an infomercial, but it's good.